Hi, I'm Norm with Mountain Beaches, and today we're going to share with you a problem we discovered when replacing your mattress in your RV. Stay tuned. In this episode, we're going to share with you a few things we learned when we changed out our mattress. Now, we bought this new fifth wheel, and like most new trailers, the mattress that comes with them just really isn't very good. And we knew that right from the get-go, and so we wanted to start off with a new mattress, and so we bought a residential Strut iComfort hybrid bed. It's about 12-13 inches thick, but it's very heavy, and that's the problem. The beds that you replace, that you take out of your RV, are thin, lightweight, and if you put in a residential, the hybrid has some memory foam in it, which is a dense foam and fairly heavy. So here's the problem we run into. These beds have a hydraulic arm on them, so you can lift them up for storage. But with the new bed we put in here, we can't do that. It's too heavy. I can do it, but it's just too hard to do. So we're going to replace the struts, and I'm going to show you how to do that in today's DIY. That's what it takes to lift the bed with the existing struts. They were not designed for this kind of bed weight. So we're going to put some heavy duty ones on and see, I got to put this down, and see the difference. First thing we got to do is get rid of this mattress, the bedding, and clean things up so I have a place to work. I'm not sure why I took the time to make the bed this morning. I knew I was going to do this. Waste of time. Now we'll see if I can actually get this mattress out of here. It's very heavy. Okay, we got the mattress out of the way, and now we're ready to figure out how to get these existing struts off and get them replaced with the heavy duty ones that I bought, and we'll see how that goes. Okay, here's the new struts that I bought. I got them on Amazon. Where else? And I'll put a link below in case you're interested in doing the same type of project. I know they have a weight, 150 pounds. These are good for, and they come in a set of 2. And they weren't very expensive. I don't remember, maybe 30 bucks, somewhere around there. So let's get to getting the old ones off and getting the new ones installed. Okay, I have one done. You can see how easy they are. Let me show these to you a little bit closer, and I can already tell how much stronger this one strut is that I put in, because it wants to lift up really easy. So these struts come with this little metal clamp right here, and you just put a little flathead screwdriver underneath there. It's got a notch on both ends, and you pop that out, lift that up, and now this can slide off of the pin, and it's the exact same on the other end. It's got the clip that holds it in place, and then when you've got the new strut mounted on there, you just pop these back into place and they lock in. So that's all there is to it. very easy to replace these. I'm still not seeing a weight rating on these that came from the factory, but that's okay. They were good enough for the lightweight mattress, but not for the new heavy-duty, robust mattress that we just added. Actually, we added a few months ago, but this is the first trip we've actually used it. And it's an awesome mattress. We can highly recommend it. It's not cheap though, but you'll get a good night's sleep with it. So let me go and replace the other strut, and then it's just a matter of putting the bed back together. Such a simple, easy project. Anybody can do it. Really the only tool you need is just a small flathead screwdriver. Okay, so I'm getting the screwdriver down into the slot, and I'm going to pry that off. It's just a clamp holding it in place. And once we get that off, this just pops off, and we can push the clamp back in place. Now we'll go do the same thing on the bottom clasp. You can see the bottom one right here, and I'm just going to do the exact same process. Put the screwdriver in the slot and pull that, and there it comes off very easily. I'm going to do the same thing on the new one I'm installing. I got to get it ready to put in there. There you go, and that just snaps on there and it's locked into place. You can see here what we're hooking onto. It's this fitting here. It's kind of a ball at the end, and then the clasp locks in on the other side, and it can't come over that that rounded ball that's larger. The one other tool that you might need, probably will, are some pliers. These are channel locks, and I just need to twist this a little bit to line it up. The other one I had to rotate 180 degrees to get the right orientation out of it, and it's easy to do. Let me get my screwdriver once again into the slot. All I'm doing is pulling it away from the bracket. Line this up and put it in place, and that's locked on there now. See how easy that was? Alright, so now I've replaced the two struts. Get my tools out of the way, and we'll bring the mattress back in and see what we get. Okay, probably the hardest part of the whole project is just moving the bed around. So maybe you do this before you buy your new bed, and then you won't have this problem. Okay, now the moment we've been waiting for to see if this made any difference at all. Oh wow. That is so easy. In fact, it just stays up, no hands. We're gonna have Kim do it. See what she thinks. Okay, here she comes. See if we can.
This is reality. No makeup, no getting dressed yet this morning.
Okay, let's see what you can do.
Oh my. My oh my, look at that. Got my yoga mats under there already?
Yeah.
We're set to go. I love it. That is like, I could not even budge that before. You think it's gonna pop up while we're sleeping?
I think we're good.
I think we're good.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Project complete.
Yay.
Okay, so if you're thinking of replacing your bed, or maybe you already have, and you have problems lifting it because the struts are not heavy duty enough for the new bed that you bought, which weighs a lot more because it's a better bed, then you can take on this project yourself. It is probably one of the easiest projects you can do, with the exception of moving the mattress. That was difficult, but maybe get some help. But replacing those struts, super easy. Anyone can do it. You need a flathead screwdriver, a small one, and maybe pliers or some channel locks is all, and you can replace those. And like I said, the ones I put on there have a 150-pound rating. They might be just a little bit of overkill, probably don't need quite that much, but it works great. Let's see that again. I think even one-handed. Yeah, that is so easy now. That works like it's supposed to. So that's it for today. Thanks for joining us. If you thought this video was of value to you, please give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing and joining our awesome community. And we'll catch you in the next video.